everyone, welcome back to my another video of cooking with Mitisha. In today's video I'm gonna share with you how I make kidney bean salad, and it is very healthy, full of fiber and protein. It is very delicious and can be prepared with minimum ingredients. So let's get started with the recipe. So first thing, I'm gonna use half cup of cooked kidney beans. For the veggies, I have some finely chopped onions, some sweet corn, chopped cucumber, some cherry tomatoes, and green chilies because I like spicy, but you can omit it. Some shaved carrots, and I have some finely chopped cilantro because I like the flavor of it. You can use parsley, some lemon. So you can use whatever veggies you have on hand. You can also add some lettuce, spinach, basil, whatever you prefer. This is what I have on hand, so I'm using it. To add more protein to this salad, I'm using some cottage cheese, about 1/4 cup. You can use Greek yogurt or anything else you prefer, or you can completely omit it. Besides the veggies, for the crunch, you can use nuts like a pumpkin seed or sunflower seeds. Now in this kidney beans, I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Just about like half teaspoon, not much. Now I'll add all the veggies to it one by one. Some onions, corns, tomatoes, and cucumber. Now I will add this cheese, some chopped green chilies for spice, some carrot. Now I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice, salt to taste. I'm gonna add a little bit of chili flakes. I already have added green chilies, so I'm not gonna add a lot, just a little bit of it just to give that kick. Mix it everything together. So I have mixed everything nicely, and now I'm gonna just sprinkle cilantro on top. And now I'm gonna give it a taste. So good. One of the must-try recipe, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and please do give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching.